Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. I have not posted on this channel for over a year. As you can see by the title of this video, this is not only a comeback, but this is a continuation of the trend that I was doing where my friends draw my makeup. That doesn't just include friends that I know personally, that includes people I met on social media, that includes family members, co-workers, anybody that wants to do a makeup look. I will be recreating the ones that they drew. And I got a lot of submissions and I was ecstatic but overwhelmed. I did a few and then it just kept getting more complicated, and then I couldn't have a quiet filming space, so it was just a lot. So I actually stopped posting in this channel completely instead of just doing makeup. I'm getting back into makeup. I have stopped doing my own makeup for a while. It's very rusty, but my friends have been pushing me because it's something that I love doing. And now that I've become a wig influencer, if you didn't know, I said that on my main channel, but if you didn't know, my main channel is this, so you can go ahead and subscribe. Firstly, I do want to say though, because I've done my base so many times on this channel, I'm not going to be showing y'all my base. I'm just gonna jump into the makeup look that I'm doing. So yeah, and this makeup look was given to me in 2020 by KENECIA. She's one of my old schoolmates from high school. Her Instagram will also be tagged in the description below as a thank you for the drawing. Without further ado, let's get into the look. Okay, look, I know I've been out of the game for a while as it comes to tutorials, especially makeup tutorials, but I'm going to do my eyeshadow on camera before I do my base, because like a long time when I do makeup, I mean, I want to get the shadow all over my base because I'm gonna be mad. I did my brows. I always use pencil. Y'all will know me forever using pencil. That'll never change. So first, I put the brown gel on my eyebrows, let it dry. Then I went in with light strokes with a dark brown. I like when they're black but not jet black, so I use dark brown pencil from Wet n Wild. And on the bottom of my brows, I use Born This Way Chestnut, and on the top of my brows, I use Born This Way Toffee. They're very smooth, easy to blend out concealers. I recommend these for beginners. I don't. Now I'm going to get my Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer and put that on my lid because we're doing an eyeshadow look today. Guys, oh my god, I am so nervous filming. This is not typically how I apply it. I don't know why I'm gonna do it like that today, but I did. I think it's because I'm nervous. I typically use a brush that I refuse to look for right now. This is very silky, smooth. You literally don't feel it on your eyes, so it's not no heavy makeup or anything. It's not no heavy product. Now, just for a reminder of the makeup look, this is it. So this is the eyeshadow look we're going for. So yellow at the end, orange at the inner corner, and on the left cheek, orange butterfly. The eyeshadow palette I'll be using today, we're representing Jamaicans, hunty, is this Watch Chrissy Works Island Vibes eyeshadow palette. We'll be using this yellow with this yellow in the middle and then this orange, so everything right here. Yeah, I know that I put primer on my eyelid, but I also like to put concealer with the chestnut concealer. Saying I'm gonna use a darker orange and then put the bright one on top, just so I can have like a transition, you know. after me done blend out the color, me come back. But me just want me dip in the orange one time. Now the bright orange. One time. Me dip in the orange one time, guys. One time. And it do two eye, the both eye. Guys, me dip in the orange, look how bright. Also, I had the idea where for the lower lash line, I'm going to put the yellow on the inside and the orange on the outside. And I think, the eyeshadow is all done. The eyeshadow look done until I get to the white part, which I'm not going to do until I'm done my base. I'm going to do my base and be right back. I wanted to show y'all how snatched and full coverage this concealer is. I'm not wearing any foundation yet. This is literally just concealer. My bags are snatched, my nose is snatched, my chin is snatched. Now it's time to go put on the foundation because I'm looking a little flat at me, like we don't want that. This is as bright as I can get the white. I'm using white eyeshadow, guys, and this tiny sculpting brush with setting spray. Spray some setting spray on the brush, and then I roll it around in the white, literally. Now I gotta try and make this look symmetrical, so I'm not gonna talk. Let's try to fill it in. It's not symmetrical, but we gotta work with it because we're using eyeshadow for a line without concealer. So, gotta do with what we have. To use liquid liner, but we don't have that, so we make do with what we have. But the eyes are giving. They're giving what it can give, not what it was supposed to give. It's giving what it can give. It's giving what it can give. For the concealer right here, I'm using Tarte. I don't remember what shade this is, but I'm using Tarte Shape Tape concealer. Y'all probably don't even know, but I wear glasses, right? My bad eye, both my eyes are bad, but my bad eye is my left eye. So doing a look under my eye right now, it feels like I'm going blind. Like it's a little nerve-wracking, but it's just gotta, yes. So that's have to go on and take my time and do my thing. You know what I'm saying? Butterfly's outer corners are gonna be orange, and I'm gonna blend the inner corner with yellow. If extra was a person. Putting shadows to give it a little dimension. Find sunset eyes, orange butterfly, and then I go give me pink lip. But KENECIA, it's okay. Nah, fight you. You don't dare do the goody. Give me a look of something for draw to get my head back into the game. I love and appreciate you, my love. Mwah. Black. I'm gonna overline my lip a little bit. I'm just carrying the black in a bit. Put on lashes that won't kill the eye look. I like these long ones because they're like wispy. I'm torn between these two. Y'all, we picked the perfect eyelash. What? Y'all did your big one with these eyelashes, okay? You can literally see this the eyeshadow. It's long and beautiful and wispy. Typically, I would leave my lashes like this without doing any button lashes, but I bought this for the specific reason that I saw Arisha do. First of all,
with a tweezer, and what we're gonna do is we're going to clump the lashes together. So we're gonna put like probably 2 or 3 lashes.
Nice, clean, sexy looking chocolate melanin dark Barbie. Sorry, I mean Bratz doll. Her name is Arisha. Her YouTube channel is SYS BEAUTY, and good girl is doing it with makeup. Okay, she's doing makeup challenges. She's doing anything makeup related you can find on her Instagram or her TikTok or her YouTube. All of them is SYS BEAUTY. Anyways, I saw she did a little tutorial on TikTok where she made her bottom lashes look like this. And me, I have to try it. But only know me clumsy with my hands, so I'm gonna take time because I know I mess up the bottom bottom lash eyeshadow that I just did. So let's take time. She said put as much of the product as you can. Okay, guys, me couldn't find my tweezer now, so you know what I do? Me use the long nails them when me have on. That is going in. Yeah, I messed up the whole at the bottom, but it is what it is. Highlights and come back. I highlight my nose, brow bone, inner corners, chin, cupid's bow. Now I'm set. Guys, I decided to go over the lip with some gloss because I wasn't feeling the matte look. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Ooh, that was a journey.
Riding high when I was king, I played at the hard and fast. I walked away, you want me there, easy on me, oh, and it would.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Get into the eye makeup. Butterflying, I think. But shout out to Arisha for the lower lash mascara hack. Shout out to her. Do y'all like it? Because I'm obsessed. At first I did not like it, but the more I kept doing it, the better it got. I wish I had the white liner though, because it would make the line actually more crispy and brighter, but we did that, guys. Are we back? Are we back? As you can see, the dollar sweat, but the makeup is set. But going forward, I'm gonna try to make sure that I put my phone on do not disturb so no one disturbs me while I'm filming. And as you can hear by the noise, I'm gonna try to not talk into my videos anymore because that not gonna make no sense, for the simple fact that there's always a mad people here. So if I talk in the videos, it's not gonna be as good to me when I'm editing it. I'm mega want to cut it out because why have so much noise, you know? It's not YouTube quality to me. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my comeback. It's such a chaotic video for my comeback on this channel, but I hope y'all can see that my personality is coming through. Yeah, give the video a thumbs up. Let's continue the trend. We're going to try and complete all the my friends draw my makeup look challenge that I have in my phone saved for about 3 years now. So with that being said, guys, comment down below what other videos you would like to see as well. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my main channel, and I'm your girl Sarafina. I love you, beauties. Bye. Mwah.